So in today's video, I'm going to show you my secret method to make your first $460 on the internet with any Clickbank product. Now, if you're coming across my video online for the very first time, don't hesitate to subscribe and don't hesitate to leave a like, leave a comment, and also hit the notification button so that I get notified every time I upload videos like this. I upload videos every Monday on this channel showing you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. And if you're looking for a legitimate means to make not less than $2,000 every month on the internet, working from the comfort of your home with your laptop and your internet, the link to my free crash course is below this video. Now check out my free crash course at the end of this video. What this crash course is going to do for you is hold you by the hands and show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. Now, having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day. The first thing to do is to create your account on Clickbank. All right, but what I'm about to share also work for offers from Warrior Plus, from JVZoo, from Digistore, or from CJ.com, which is a commission junction. All right, so the first thing is to create your account on any of these platforms. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Clickbank. All right, I'm going to be using Clickbank. All right, and this is Clickbank Marketplace. All right, now on the marketplace, on Clickbank Marketplace, you're going to find loads and loads of offers for different niches. All right, for whatever thing you're into. If you're into self-help, you're going to find offer here. If you're into spirituality and new age, you're going to find offer here to promote. If you're into health and fitness, you're going to find offer here. If you're into relationship, you're going to find offer here to promote. If you're into e-business, e-marketing, cooking, computing, whatever thing that you are into, there are offers on Clickbank that you can actually go promote, offers that resonate with your niche. All right, and there are certain steps when it comes to promoting offer. You're going to be on the lookout for how much is the vendor paying each time you promote and make a sale. How much is the vendor willing to pay you? All right, for example, if you look at most of the offers here, for example, this 12-minute affiliate system, the vendor is paying out about, Clickbank is paying out about $210 for each sale. All right, so this is quite a good one, called the 12-minute affiliate system, and this is quite within my niche because I promote make money online product. I don't know what you promote. You might be promoting something like weight loss or spirituality or relationship, but I don't know. But for this particular offer, I'm getting, or you are getting, $210 for promoting this particular offer. And the only thing, the thing you do, what you do is you click here. All right, generate your affiliate link. The first thing is to generate your affiliate link. To generate your affiliate link, you add in your account nickname and click on generate hop link. All right, so you copy your hop link. Now this is your affiliate link. Each time somebody clicks on this and go and buy, you make this affiliate commission. All right, so you click on this, generate your hop link, and then another thing you need to find out, okay, let me show you. Once you generate your hop link, go to bit.ly and shorten your hop link. This is your hop link. You simply paste your hop link here. All right, I'm going to paste our hop link here and then shorten this hop link. Now this is the hop link. Now the reason is that we don't want our hop link to look spammy. It must look clean and neat. All right, so you copy your hop link and go paste your hop link in your notebook somewhere because you're still going to need it. All right, so we go back to Clickbank again. Another thing that you need to look out for is check out the sales page of this particular offer. Make sure any offer you're promoting that the sales page is quite attention grabbing. So let's check out this particular sales page. This is what it looks like. This is the sales page. All right, it says if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. Wow, quite an attention grabbing one. All right, if you can make order pizza, you can make money with this particular system. So another thing you look at again when it comes to promoting an offer, you got to look at the affiliate resources. Now affiliate resources simply means the materials, all right, the materials that the vendor have provided that you're going to use to promote the offer. You have to find out, look at the materials, make sure that the materials, which are the banners, the email series, the landing pages, make sure they are attention grabbing. These are things to look out for when you're promoting an offer. All right, and then you look at the gravity again. Now gravity simply means how much of this product have been sold on this platform. Is it converting? Are people buying it? The higher the gravity, the better for you, because it actually shows that affiliates are making money from this particular offer. All right, affiliates are making money. So check out the gravity, check out how much you stand to be paid as a commission for promoting this particular offer. All right, and with that said, let's go straight to how to promote this offer. Now I'm going to take you to this particular website. All right, look at this website. Look at this website. It's called the freeadvertising247.com. all right, now here you come here to run free ads. You don't pay any money to run. All these are free ads. These are all free ads, and I tell you that this particular website gets visits, massive visits monthly. All right, now if you look at here, all right, you're gonna see this is somebody's ad. I believe this guy just placed this ad, so it has been shown about 9 times. This guy's ad, this is a free one, tube mastery and monetization. This has been shown 37 times. Let me show you ads that has been shown thousands of times. These are all new ads because they are still on top. Like this ad now, this tinnitus 911 has been shown 1,844 times, and this guy paid next to nothing to run this ad on the internet. All right, look at this guy. The ad has been shown 90 times. Let me show you more ad that's been shown. This ad has been shown 137 times. This on 100. Let me show you ads that's been showing for. This one has been shown for 10,422 times on the internet, and I tell you, this guy paid only $2 for this particular ad, and I'm going to show you how he did it. But this guy's paid nothing. Like this guy earned 16,000 blah blah blah. Don't waste time. This particular ad has been shown 1,332 times, and this guy paid next to nothing to have this ad shown. This is a free ad platform. Now look at this, is somebody promoting John Christiani's offer, and this particular offer has been shown, or this ad has been shown 89,000 times. Boy, this one has been shown 10,000 times on the internet for just I believe maybe $2 each. All right, let me show you how to create ad on this platform right away. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go back to our remember we generated our hop link. Okay, so I'm going to place the hop link that we generated here. All right, that we shortened on Bitly. Then I'm going to choose, remember what you are promoting is this particular offer, 10 minutes. All right, 10-minute affiliate system, and I tell you it's making me money, $210 each time I make a sale. All right, so what I do is this. Now I place my affiliate link. I'm going to choose a category. This is business opportunity category. Then it says short title. How do I get my title? I'm going to go back to my affiliate offer. All right, I'm going to go back to this affiliate offer. I'll copy something like you can make money with this system. All right, you can make money with this system. Let me copy this. All right, I'm going to copy this and head back to this particular website, free advertising 247, and place this short title here. You can make money with this system. Then it requires description, so I'm going to go back again. You go back again, copy. I tell you folks, this is what I've been using to make you in recent time. All right, I'm not good in showing my stuff. All right, you copy this and head back again to this and place it in this description. Now you can see that while I'm doing that, it's showing here you can make money with this system. So you enter your name. Let me enter this Victor, enter this email. All right, and I'm going to head down. I may choose to add color to this content. All right, now if you want to add color to this content or add emoji, it's going to cost you maybe $1 or $2. For instance, it says upgrade your ad and make it stand out. So I recommend you just add a little color. Choose your color. I like this one, red. All right, you can see that our ad is changing. All right, you can make money with this system. The fact is, if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. All right, the next thing I would advise you do is also make your ad larger, make it stand out. To add this large stuff. All right, and this is going to cost you only $2, but you can as well leave it. You can as well leave it like these guys here. This guy didn't spend a dime on all this on because they are not colorful. But this guy, let me show you, somebody who spent like $1 or $2, like this one spent $1 or $2 to make his ad outstanding. All right, so you can add a little color for color and make it outstanding with just $2. But if you don't have $2, then you can go ahead and just post your ad like this, and it's gonna be just like these ones, and I tell you it's also gonna get eyeballs. All right, so the next thing you do is head to the end of this page. All right, and head to the end of this page. Let me show you the end of this page and submit your ad. All right, we're gonna go to the end of this page and submit our ads. Takes time to get there. So you enter your code and submit your ad, and you're going to have an email sent to your email box. Click on that email, verify yourself, and your ad is good to go. It's as simple as that. I tell you, if you're getting value from this video, don't hesitate to leave a like and leave a comment, and then ask questions if you got questions to ask. All right, this is quite an easy one that I tell you are making a kill from this particular one. Now, in case you're coming across my video for the very first time online, this is what I do. My name is Maz White, and I got series of videos here that I post every Monday helping you to win with affiliate marketing online business. So see you in my next video. God bless you.